Namaskar. Rajasthan government first declared their so-called lockdown, the state lockdown from 22nd March till 31st March 2020. Means Rajasthan government, which is a Congress ruling state, declared this state-wise lockdown from 22nd March. The Punjab government, which is also a Congress ruled state, first declared their lockdown or the state-wise lockdown on 22nd March. So you can see two Congress ruled state declared their state lockdown before the national lockdown took place. National lockdown, which Narendra Modi, the first lockdown, or you can say lockdown 1.0, started from 25th March till 14th April, the 21 days lockdown. This was the first lockdown which Narendra Modi declared nationally. But before that, Rajasthan government and Punjab government has already declared lockdown and curfew in their individual state. And Maharashtra government, which is also a Congress ruled coalition state, always focus on increasing the lockdown date whenever the Uddhav Thackeray speaks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He always tell the extension of lockdown, and it is in lockdown mode. So and if you see globally, the countries which have been affected by this deadly virus are following these lockdown norms. Even WHO is also saying that yes, India is doing a good job. You can see our numbers, you can see our death rate, you can see our recovery rate, and when we don't have any particular medicine for this deadly virus, lockdown, social distancing, sanitization is the that is we can do because to avoid this virus. But Rahul Gandhi yesterday did a video conference with one of the Chinese app. Rahul Gandhi said lockdown, the aim and object of the lockdown failed in India. So my question to Rahul Gandhi is that your two states, Rajasthan and Gujarat, Rajasthan and Punjab, who declared the lockdown from 22nd March, so I think they have not consulted with you, because we often see you speaking that you are against this lockdown. This lockdown is a temporary mode, and it will we need to come out of this lockdown. So I think Rajasthan and Punjab government doesn't care what you say. And Rahul Gandhi don't see the numbers of current COVID, current deadly virus patient in India and around the globe. He doesn't compare. He doesn't see the death rate in India. He doesn't see the recovery rate in India. He only says in a casual way, lockdown is failed. Are bhai, India is a very big country. It's a densely populated country. Our healthcare system, it's not so strong or good like the Western countries. Because for the last 70 years or so, or with the UPA rule or a Congress rule, they have focused less on healthcare. Yes, we have got good hospitals and institute, but not so good healthcare system like Western countries. Still, India is doing best to fight against this deadly virus, and this is because of lockdown, and telling the government, PM is saying about social distancing. And every state, when the individuals, chief minister talks with the Prime Minister of India, they focus on lockdown, extension of lockdown, and what to be done. That means Rahul Gandhi is saying all other chief minister in India are fool. Central governments are fool. Only he is the person who knows everything, and he declared that the aim and objective of the lockdown is failed. Then what is this going on? What is this going on? If India doesn't have the lockdown, then our infected rate could have been 15-20 lakhs by now. Do you have such kind of infrastructure to cope with such a huge number of active patients? It's very easy to say. It's very easy to say. See, the purpose of lockdown in India, according to my view, has got 2 points. First of all, to reduce the number of virus affected patients as as possible as low it can by lockdown, social distancing, sanitization, etc. And secondly, at the end of lockdown 4.0, which will end on 31st May, India should have, within this 2 months or more, India has made his healthcare system such strong that if the number goes up, yes, the number will go up after if the lockdown withdraw, which WHO also say, and we are also seeing the numbers are going up, so that within this 2 or 3 months of time, India will be in a position to fight and with this deadly virus. If the numbers goes up, there will be number of tests going on, increased number, N95 marks, and number of doctors, etc. there. So India got a time for more than 2 months to prepare herself to fight against this deadly virus. Yes, Rahul Gandhi is worried about our economy. Not only Rahul Gandhi, Indian government and individual states are also worried about economy. So there are relaxation given by respective state individuals. We are all worried. Even the government, it doesn't mean that only the opposition political party like Rahul Gandhi is only worried about the economy. All are worried about economy. That's why they are giving relaxation. But saying on the face that the lockdown is failed, it's utterly nonsense. It's utterly nonsense, and just because he is one of the member of a national political party, ex-president of Congress, he will say lockdown has failed. That if he says lockdown has failed, then I think he is not reading the current newspapers and current news, because he is not updated with our death rates are less than 3%. Our number of increasing is the number of recovery rate crossed more than 40%, and and the number of active patient is comparatively low. If we compare with the Western countries like Italy, France, US, Russia, etc. So what I feel this Rahul Gandhi is doing a video conferencing and asking the government what step. He can see what steps are taken by the government, but still is asking the questions of video conferencing. And secondly, they basically wants money to be poured on individual, for money to go to individual hands. But see, money going to the individual hands, the government is doing various steps to which money is going to the individual bank account, which might be Rahul Gandhi is not aware of it. So I don't know what is the problem of Rahul Gandhi. If Indian government go for lockdown, he is not happy. If Indian government withdraw the lockdown, he is not happy. If Indian government do something, send some medicines to outside friends, then he is not happy. I don't know. India will not run to make Rahul Gandhi happy, to be very frank, or Congress party happy. So Indian government is doing their best to fight against this deadly virus, and opposition political party, national level political parties like, and the spokesperson, you can say like Rahul Gandhi, if he speaks like such casually, then it will be an advantage for BJP, and BJP will come to power in every 5 years of gap, because this is not the way a casual approach to be spoken about when the India is fighting against this deadly virus. So I don't know what is going on in the back of the mind of Rahul Gandhi, but yesterday's live video conferencing with some of the people, they will say yes, Rahul Gandhi speaks about the country, etc. But I think it was clearly a childish type of saying that lockdown failed in India. If you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel, comment, and please share. Thank you very much.